In alignment with the school coal boiler replacement program, Coromandel Area School finds itself at a pivotal moment in its commitment to sustainability. What is the cleaner, greener alternative? Introducing the ÖkoFEN pellet boiler, revolutionizing heating systems by eliminating the need for coal. With the ÖkoFEN pellet boiler, Coromandel Area School leads the way in sustainable heating solutions, reducing carbon emissions and environmental impact. Say goodbye to coal and hello to a cleaner, healthier learning environment. For more information, visit our website tubman.co.nz.